So when our model is ready, okay, so before replicate we have to provide load on our structure. To provide load, I'll go to our story 1. Here I'll select, not that one, all of our slab over story 1. So I've selected all of our staircase, okay, and now I'll go assign. From assign we have to use that option, shell load, then uniformly load. Now from here, first of all, I will provide floor finish, and that will be, I'm considering 25 lb per feet, so you can consider as per requirement, or I'm considering 18.5 clearly. Okay, so when it's done, and I'll click here, replace this existing load. So why, if you already have a load and if you want to replace that load, then you have to select that option. Otherwise, already you have applied some load like a floor finish, and again you want to add some load with that, I mean with your previous load, then you have to select that option. And if you want to delete that floor finish from that panel, then you have to simply click here, delete existing load. I'll click here, replace existing load, then apply. Done. Now I'll click here, previous selection, get previous selection. So when I clicked here, the all portion again have been selected. Now from here I'll provide, after partition all, I'll provide, so after floor finish I'll provide partition all. So randomly I'll consider partition all for all I mean overall member as 40 lb per feet. Normally I'm considering, so you can calculate that as per your requirement. I'll go apply. Then here live load for floor, so live load for floor I will consider also 40 lb per feet. You can consider that as per your code requirement. After that apply, sorry, we have to select previous selection, then apply. So when everything is okay, we have provided all types of loads required here. Now we'll go for our staircase. So first of all I'll select, I'll go here, I'll close, and go here for extrude view. Which one we want to select? That one, that one, that one, and that one, and also that one. Okay, so that's 5 shell will be the member of staircase. Again I'll go here, assign shell load, and from shell load go to uniform load, and here in staircase I'll consider load as a 60 pound, okay, I mean 3 kilonewton per square meter, and that will be live load. Apply. Again I'll click pre-select. Okay, after clicking pre-select, I'll go for floor finish, that will be same 18.5. Apply. Again here no requirement of partition all basically. So when everything is okay, now select here that panel and that panel, only 2 shell. Why that 2 shell? Because here we have to provide some load which is for our riser and step. Okay, here only we have drawn, okay, our waist slab. Okay, now we have to add our riser and step load on it, so I'll consider that is as a dead load. and that will be almost 30 lb per square feet. Then apply. Okay, and select that on and provide here little bit partition all. So I'm going to assign shell load, uniformly load, and as a partition all load provide 40. Apply, then okay, so it's done. We have provided all types of load. Now we'll go to here, sorry, here, and basically sometimes we see that some loads are available on our that beams, so we'll consider some line load on our that beam. I'll select that carefully. Here, here, and here, and here. So we have selected all of our member, I mean our grade beam. Okay, now I'll go assign, then frame load, distributed load, and as a partition all I'll provide here 0.5 key per feet. You can also calculate the partition load and you can apply. I'm just providing randomly. Apply, close. So on our every member we have provided load as you required. So we've done everything perfectly. Now I'll go here, here, and from here I'll replicate our model. I'll select, and you have to see which member are not available here. Sorry. So from here also I have to select that staircase and that staircase, I mean our that two going. So when everything is okay, now we are going to replicate our model. Okay, so I'll click here, edit, from edit click here replicate, and from replicate we'll replicate for a story, and from where, from a story 2 to terrace. Okay, I'll click apply, and you'll see when you take your mouse on apply, you can see here how it will replicate and how it will see it's showing. Just simply click here, apply, and see our model almost ready, right? You see that our model is okay now. Now I'll go to our terrace. From plan I'll go to terrace, tr, apply, and here, and in terrace whose portion are not required we'll delete that. I'll select that portion, delete, also that portion will be deleted, and that portion also will be deleted, right? So when it's done, yeah, it's done. See, it's done. And from here also you have to delete something. Escape, select that on, sorry, we have to select that going, we have to select, sorry, we have to select this panel from here, and also we have to delete that going, and from here simply delete that beam also, and also that beam. Done. We've done. I've done that. So when everything is okay, now we'll go for our next step. Now here we have to provide a roof slab. So I'll just go simply here, and from here I'll provide 5-inch slab from here to here, then from here to here, and from here to here. Done. Skip. So when everything is okay, I'll just go back a little bit. We need a beam here also, right? So I'll go here, and I'll take a beam, floor beam, that is 12 into 8 inch for every portion. So from that point to that point. Now we'll go for a staircase. I mean we'll go for our slab. So I'll select that portion from that joint to here, then from that joint to that point, and after that on that point. Done. Skip. Okay, so our model is okay. We have successfully completed our model perfectly, and now we have to change some load. I'll just go here in our that story roof. I'll select all of that slab in roof panel. I can delete that option, close, select that on, and that on, and here in roof I'll just go assign, then I'll go shell load, then uniform, and from uniform, so first of all I'll select partition on all, and I'll delete all of our partition all, because here no partition all will be available. Again pre-select, then I'll delete live load floor, so also I'll delete that live load floor from here. Done. Then again pre-select, and from here I'll remove floor finish also, apply. It's done. Now again pre-select, and now provide live load roof as per our code requirement. So I'm providing roof live load 100 lb, then apply, then again pre-select and provide floor finish. Here floor finish will be almost 25 minimum, because here a hard layer or a thin layer will be placed to protect that floor from sun, heat, and rain penetration. 25, then applying. It's okay, it's done. Now I'll go to our top. Okay, here and here I'll select or that panel and that panel, and here we'll provide auto load. Okay, so also we'll provide a floor finish 25. It's done. Then roof live load pre-select. Okay, floor finish also will be here, so 25 floor finish, replace. It's done. Then pre-select from here roof live load, that will be, suppose consider that will be 40 or 60. Apply, and here auto load. So I'll consider auto load as a dead load. So I'm considering dead load. And what will be the auto load here actually? So I'm considering our auto load will be 80 lb per feet. 80 lb per feet. Then apply. Okay. So we have to select here. Just you can calculate the auto load. Already I have created some lecture on it. You can watch our YouTube video section or playlist. Then you will find out that. Apply. It's done. Close. So we have completed every. We have provided all load which are required. We have provided that. Now when it's okay, now we are ready to analysis. But before analysis, we have to provide all types of lateral force, earthquake and wind load. We have to provide that. Okay, so to provide wind load and earthquake load, we have to follow code. As per your code, you have to provide that. But before that, we have to define our here our diaphragm. So I'll go to define diaphragm. You have to click select, then go to select, and from select go to coordinate specification, and from here XY plane. So every time you have to take XY plane, so it's quite difficult. So just simply here right click and customize or keyboard shortcut, and from here go to select option. So select, and here coordinate specification, and for which one you want to select, for that one I'll provide for control, or I'll take as control C as control C, right? For coordinate, sorry, alta C, and click here assign. Just see, already have assigned alta C. So when we provide alta plus C, then this command will be run. Then click OK. So simply alta C, and click here. Just see, this whole panel have been selected. But before that, just see they have 2 points. I will recommend you to delete that point, because as our diaphragm take several points, so maybe when we provide diaphragm, it will change your movement. So again go here, alta C, and click here normally. See, again go below, alta C, and click here. Sorry, skip. Go top. Extremely sorry. In terrace, just I have to check something here. Is here beam is okay or not? I have to check that. Okay, it's done. Now I'll select and I'll delete. We're done. Okay, again go alta plus C and click here. Again go bottom, alta C, and select. Again go, carefully do that, alta C, and select any point, alta C, and click any point. Go down, alta C, and click any point, Alt C and click any point, down, Alt C and click any point, down, Alt C and click any point, again go down, Alt C and go any point, down, Alt C, click. Same way we have to select all of our point, go down. Okay, done. So we have selected all of our points like that, and I'll go here for assign, then shell, and you'll go for diaphragm. So from here D on, and you can click here for modify D on, show modify, just see D on and it's rigid. Okay, okay, and select D on and click apply. So we have provided all of our diaphragm. Okay, now go top, just see, this is our diaphragm. See here all points are almost same, and terrace here, this is our center of our diaphragm. So when it's done, now we are almost ready to assign. Now I'll save that model, and we're ready to define our earthquake and wind load. So in the next lecture I'll show you that how we'll assign, how we'll define our earthquake load, and after that we'll go for analysis. So thank you very much for staying with us. S12, stay connected till next video. And if you think that was helpful for you, and also if you want to support us, then please join as a member or give us super thanks. So thank you very much.